Hey guys, on today's episode I'm gonna open up, take a look at, and do a little comparison of Raph and Donnie from the remake of the 1988 collection that just came out this year, 2021. Yeah, 2021. Dope. But this is Donnie. He looks awesome. And that's the old one I have. Again, I mentioned before I've looked at some of these figures. The new ones are a little bigger and bigger heads, but they look great. There's a different shell color. They have a matte instead of a shiny like the old ones. This guy has a purple belt D, but the original line had the yellow. This is probably from '89, or the second year release. They did the different color belt, or at some point they did the different color belts. I don't remember, I was just a kid. And so he looks awesome. Time to move on to Raph. I'll open those weapons after. So right away, he's definitely a different color, a lighter color, more matte, like pastel. He still looks dope. A little bit bigger head, bigger eyes, bigger mouth, a little more defined, bigger arms. Yeah, slightly bigger. Looks awesome. They all still stand up weird, just like the old ones. Yeah, got it. Alright, I'll pose you later. So that's Raph and Donnie, and next I'll be doing Mikey and Splinter. That'll come out soon, I suppose, or this will be in the future, and that'll be in a playlist coming up next, or linked to at the end, or maybe in a card over here. But I'm gonna do that video, and then I'm gonna make the sewer layer from the box. Probably the other side. They're gonna fall. I'm gonna make a 3D representation of this for these guys to live in, and then more customs until I buy something new. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember, always keep your head up. Peace. Never find this.